Thank you for all your wonderful work from feedback lesson 2. And now we are on feedback lesson 3. The competition today is to find 5 animals throughout my video. I'm adding up all the things you're finding, and there'll be a winner, first, second, third, at the end of next week, and you will all be getting prizes. Okay, so first of all, the learning check set on Tuesday. Here are the answers. So this is 5 times 10, 2 times 5, so 2 times 5 times 5, or 2 times 5 squared. Expand, 4 times p, 4 times 2. Expand, 3 times y, minus 3 times 5. 2 times 2, 2 times m. 4a times a, 4a times minus 3. Some of you still getting this bit wrong. Okay, simplify. B's will cancel, left with a. B's will cancel. Okay, and you've got 2 times 2 on the top, 3 times 2 times a on the bottom. 2's will cancel, so your end answer is 2 over 3a. A really hard one there. Okay. Next, the probability of, some of you forgot to turn over the page and look at the next one. Probability of blue. There's 6 blues out of a total, there's a total of 10. There are 4 greens out of a total of 10. Most of you getting the fractions correct now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, and you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along. That's the fraction. Okay, 4b squared. So b squared, when b is 2, is 4. And you've got 4 lots of b squared. So you've got 4 lots of 4 because b squared is 4. So you've got 16. Okay, simplify. 2 times 4 is 8. Y times y is y squared. Simplify. 6a, add 2a, 8a. Minus 2, go down 4. Minus 6. Start at minus 2, go down 4. Negative 6. Okay, that was the work set last lesson. Okay, so the feedback. Notice the animal here. Don't forget to write the animals down. 5 animals for the competition. Okay, I'm going to go through solving equations, okay? Question 40 from MathsPad. 11 of you got it right, so it was a good question. Right, this means 3 times x equals 18. What's the opposite of timesing by 3? The opposite of timesing by 3 is dividing by 3. So you divide both sides by 3. The equation stays the same. The 3's cancel, so your answer, x equals 18 divided by 3, is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, question 41. 11 of you got it right. What's the opposite of adding 3? The opposite of adding 3 is to take away 3 from both sides. So x on this side, 2 on this side. Add 3 minus 3, cancels. 5 take away 3 is 2. Okay, 10 of you got this one right. The opposite of dividing by minus 4 is to times both sides by negative 4. They will cancel, so x equals negative 12. That was done well. It was a hard question. Okay, this one much harder. Yeah, only 6 of you got this one right. So let's go through this one carefully. First thing we do is we take away 10 from both sides. The opposite of add 10 is to take away 10. So these will cancel. So you're left with 2x equals 2 take away 10, negative 8. Now we divide both sides by 2. So these will cancel. So you've got x equals negative 4 was the correct answer. So I'm going to do another one like that, okay, to give you practice. So that when you do the test again next week, it will be much easier for you. Okay, so let's have a go at that one yourself if you're confident. Otherwise, wait for me to explain it. Remember, only 6 of you got this type right in the test. Right, the opposite of add 12 is to take away 12 from both sides. Add 12, take away 12, cancels. You're left with 3x on the left-hand side, negative 6 on the right-hand side. Okay, what's the opposite of timesing by 3? We're going to divide both sides by 3. The 3's will cancel, so x is negative 2. Negative 6 divided by 3, negative 2. Okay, have a go at this one. Notice the animal. Okay, so first thing, take away 20 from both sides. They will cancel. 5x equals negative 5. 15 take away 20, negative 5. Now, the opposite of timesing by 5, this is times by 5, is to divide by 5. They will cancel, so x is negative 1. Negative 5 divided by 5, negative 1. Okay, make sure you've got those in your book. Right, so you're going to have a go now, okay, on these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, please. Have a go at those 5 questions. Okay, so that's going to be part of your learning check, please. So you're going to send me those answers in. Okay, what we're going to do now is equations of straight lines. Okay, so this was question 32 on your maths pad. It said draw the line x equals 2. Right, the line x equals 2 goes through, here's 2, goes through 2 on the x-axis. This is the line x equals 2. Well done, 8 of you got that right. Okay, however, when you were asked to label this line, only 6 of you got it right. So the equation of this line goes through 3 on the y-axis. So this line is called y equals 3. Okay, so last question that I'm going to go through. Question 34 on your maths pad. Only 2 of you got this question right. 2 out of 15. Notice the animal. Right, first of all, we're going to do the table. Right, when we do the table, we're going to do the positive numbers first. So when x is 0, y is 2 times 0 plus 1. 2 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. When x is 0, y is 1. Okay, next, when x is 1, we're going to put 1 into our equation of the line. So when x is 1, we're going to put it into this equation. Okay, so when x is 1, I'm replacing the x with 1. These two numbers stay the same. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So y equals 3. Okay, let's now look at when x is 2. Okay, so when x is 2, I'm looking at what y is when x is 2. So I'm replacing the x with 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So you can see a pattern. 1, 3, 5. So they're going up in twos, or you can think about it as going back in twos. Yeah, down 2, down 2, down 2, down 2. Yeah? Okay, so let's plot those on here. So when x is -2, remember this is the x-axis, y-axis. Along -2, down -3. So I've done this coordinate here. -2, -3. Next one. -1 across, -1 down. Done this coordinate. Next one, 0, 1. Done that coordinate. Next one, a long 1, up 3. Next one, a long 2, up 5. And you would now get a ruler and join a straight line through the points. So we have drawn the line y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, you're going to have a go now. This is your learning check. Okay, I'd like you to write down the equations of line A and line B, and then fill this table in and draw your graph. So this is your learning check. Notice the animal. And this is your learning check. Notice the animal. So you've got 2 learning checks. You're solving equations and coordinates to hand in to your teacher. Okay, have a lovely day.